This isn't no ordinary sale. This is Black Friday. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Danelta, but of course you can call me Flawless. If you are a new viewer, welcome. All my returning subscribers, welcome back. You is real as hell. Thank you for returning. Welcome back to my channel, and I know you guys are used to my beauty tutorials, but I wanted to switch it up a little bit. My channel is not just about beauty, it's about beauty, business, and beyond. So this video is gonna be a business video. I just wanted to discuss something that is coming up, which is the Black Friday. And 2020 is the year of entrepreneurship. If you are not on that tip, I don't know where you at. I don't know where you at. But there's a lot of entrepreneurs that have recently started this year, and I know they haven't necessarily experienced Black Friday. They've had the other end of it, actually being a customer, but have you actually ran the sales and did all that? If you haven't, this is the video for you. Entrepreneur, I own the company of Flawless Ambitions LLC. We sell lashes, lip gloss, and cosmetics. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and follow my social media handles. And as you can see, I am wearing my Flawless Ambitions mink lashes. This is Bad Gal. And my lip gloss is gonna be Angelic. So you can go ahead and shop with me. Shameless plug, but it is what it is. So I've been, if you didn't know a little bit about me, I have been in business. This is about my second year around. I've only done one Black Friday, but I'm gonna give you a few tips on what I have learned, well, how that experience went. So if you want some tips on what steps you have to take in regards to Black Friday, stay tuned, keep watching, and let go. Okay, so first things first, before we even get into it, you're an entrepreneur. So it's only right to do Black Friday. If you is not doing Black Friday, what is you doing? And that's on period. So if you ain't get together yet, you better get it together. Okay, so tip number 1 is going to be have a plan. So you're gonna want to make sure that you have everything together. Write down you're gonna go in a corner, get your notebook, and you're gonna want to write down everything that you're planning for Black Friday. So if that's gonna be your coupons, what kind of discounts you're gonna be having, how you're gonna market, what type of promotions, everything from your website, all of that. Plan it. So in your plan, you should make sure that you have how you're gonna market. So one way is email marketing. If you don't have an email list by now and you don't have customers that had already signed up, or anyone whose videos had already signed up to your email list, what are you doing? Figure that out. Get it on your site. Start getting these emails so you can start sending your customers or your potential customers what you have to offer. You're gonna make sure you plan how your flyers are gonna come out. You're gonna plan your thank you cards. If you don't have any, you might want to have special ones for Black Friday. Your coupons, you're gonna want to put those in place on your site already, so ahead of time you know that your coupons are working. And you want to be sending like your customers with the email list. You're gonna want to send them early bird specials, for that way you have returning customers. And for tip number 2, stock inventory. You need to make sure that whatever you have on your site or in stock in your brick and mortar, everything, you're gonna want to make sure that If you're selling a certain amount of items, you're gonna make sure that items are in stock. You don't want to sell, say you have 15 lip glosses and you sell 16, you make the 16th sale. You don't have the extra lip gloss. Your customers is not gonna want to wait for you to get it together and send in the package. They want it on time. Even through this pandemic, people want their orders on time. Do not prolong that for them. So even when it comes to inventory, yeah, you're gonna want to make sure you have all of that set. You want to go on your site, do your inventory, calculate, and you need to add in any additional inventory that you're adding to your site, because you're gonna want to stock up. So you're gonna want to make sure you have a lot of orders. To make sure you have a lot of orders, you're gonna want to make sure you order a lot of stuff, but don't overdo it. If you know how your site has been running for the year, you might not want to get so much that you don't sell out, and then you have to hold on to that. Another thing is you're gonna want to, other than your products, you're gonna want to make sure your shipping supplies are in stock. That's another type of inventory. You're gonna want to make sure that's stocked, because you don't want to be shipping out and then you don't have supplies. You want to make sure your poly mailers, your bubble mailers, even whatever you put in that packaging, you're gonna want to make sure it's fully stocked. Even with your thank you cards, your business cards, whatever coupons you want to add additional for that, you're gonna want to make sure those are fully in stock. You're even want to make sure that your thermal printer, make sure your labels are ready, everything. This is why you plan. Get it? Yeah. And incentives. You want to make sure you're stocked up with incentives. You just want to make sure that if you want to be giving gifts, those are incentives. You want to add gifts in there. Imagine your customer, you have to feel like, put yourself in your customer's place. If you spent a good, like you felt like you had a good deal, if you feel like you had a good deal and you made your purchase and you got your and you receive your package, if you feel like you had such a good deal for Black Friday, and imagine you receiving your package and there's additional gifts in there, those are incentives. You would be so happy. They definitely will go back and purchase. So you want to get like little things that you can throw in there. That's optional, but I'm just saying those are additional things you might want to think about that will draw back, because you're going to want your customers to return. All right, and tip number 3, it's a sale. Lower your prices. You're going to want to make your customers feel like, I got me a good sale. This is the deal. This is a deal. Steal of a deal. For Black Friday, you're going to want to feel like you're going to be looking for the biggest sales, the biggest deals, everything. So that's exactly what your customers are going to be doing. The same thing. They want a sale. So if you don't want to go that far down, you might want to think about another option, which is bundle deals. You're going to want to bundle, say, your best products, what I've been selling for the past year. Say you've been there for a year. You want to put those together and have a bundle deal. Or you can even do BOGO. Buy 2, get 1 free. Deals. This is what they're going to be looking for. You do limited time offers is another option. Probably for your Black Friday, you might have 1 set hour on that Black Friday. That is like the sale of the sale. Like, you ain't gonna want to miss this. You're gonna want them to feel like, I have to make this purchase. Like, I can't even wait. Let me clock out. Let me put this order in immediately. That's how bad you want your customers to feel when it comes to Black Friday. When you do that limited offer, that will get them definitely swiping that card. Another way is doing your purchase, like you purchase a certain amount and you get a discount, or you get free shipping. People like free. All right, so For tip number 4, always check your website. Always do a website check before you have a big sale like Black Friday. One thing you don't want is for you draw customers to your website and then it's like, okay, so how do I get to view your products? You don't want them to be questioning how to maneuver your website. That's the last thing you want. And if you're going to be doing coupons, you want to make sure that those coupons are going to work. Last thing you want is for your customers to go on your website. They're trying to put the coupon in and it's coming in invalid. You just lost a sale. Sorry, boo. You lost a sale. You need to make sure that your site is running well. You can also go in and edit your item descriptions, because you're gonna want to draw them in, be as precise as you can. Anything that'll be able to draw your customers into persuading them to make a purchase. Make sure, like I said, it's easy to maneuver. All right. And those are gonna be my tips for my boss babes. Thank you for viewing this video. If you're interested in further entrepreneur boss babe videos, you can go ahead and hit the subscription button. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.